In under 5 minutes, I'm going to explain to you what AI automation is, and we are going to automate one simple task with AI. My name is Noel Ethan. Let's dive into it. I believe if you have clicked on this video, you are into AI or you are enthusiastic about AI automation. I'm here to help you navigate the world of AI automation. Firstly, let's begin by answering the question, what is AI automation? AI automation refers to the use of AI to handle routine tasks, time-consuming tasks, with a goal of smoothing a process. Think of automations as solutions that brings real value to life and businesses by making processes faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Let's think of a real-world business. Every business runs on routines, or some may say standard operating procedures, SOPs. To automate a business, you need to understand the routine, everything your business needs to do on a daily basis or weekly basis. For example, your business might need to check stock levels and reorder supplies. That is called inventory management. Or your business might need to do customer follow-ups after a client has bought or has purchased an item from your business. This can be automatable. Now that we know the basics, let's see how AI automation works in the real world. From small businesses to everyday life. Yes, indeed, AI is transforming how we work and live. Companies like Shopify uses AI chatbots to answer customer queries 24/7. Social media scheduling is just another use case of AI automation. Tools like Buffer use AI to suggest optimal posting times. Let's bring it all together with a practical example. Imagine you run a car tire business. One key routine can be customer follow-ups, where you send personalized emails after each sale. As you can see, this can be a pretty repetitive task if your business is growing. To make this valuable, you can use AI to personalize these emails based on the customer's car type, and in the email, you can add tire recommendations, gratitude, and a fun story. Let's head over to N8N Workspace and automate this workflow. This is a very simple N8N basic workflow that automates the sending of AI personalized emails. To begin with in this workflow, let's understand how the workflow is working. In the workflow, we have a very first trigger, or the trigger, the on-form submission, which is just trying to simulate a website's form. And on submission of this form, if we are to test this, by clicking test step, a form is going to be presented to us. Let's fill out this form. First of all, you can just say, John, allow me to use the Tesla model, and the tires type, allow me to use Saman Performance. Email, allow me to use my own email, and let's submit this. Here, the test has been submitted. Let's pin this. And now, as you can see at the right side, here's the data capturing all the user's data. We can also test using the AI agent. As you can see here, this is the data, and this is the AI agent. This is the prompt for the AI agent. This is the system message telling what the AI agent is all about. If we can test this step, we'll understand that it's going to send the email. And as you can see here, the output says the email is sent. And if I'm going to check my email, I'll find out that the email has been sent automated and personalized. That's AI automation in 5 minutes. If you're excited to blaze through more automation tips, subscribe to Blazing Automations and hit the bell icon for notifications. Drop a comment with your favorite automation idea, and I'll see you in the next video.